What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater, and today I'm out here in New Jersey showing off a system. This is a killer project. If you guys are interested in viewing the full quick review and demos, you got to subscribe to the channel. Today we're going to highlight the fact that there are some killer JL Audio subs in here, and we do sell JL Audio. I got my preferred partner here, Jose with Wire Ninjas, and he's going to walk you through and tell you the model numbers as well as just the audio configuration that's running here. What's up, guys? Jose at Wire Ninjas here. I just want to show off these subs here. So we have a total of 3 JLs in the room. Right here we have the Fathom 112 V2. It's 1800 watts, 12 inches. This thing is killer, shockingly deep bass. I mean, it sounds so nice. Also, a little bit about this stuff. You have some really nice controls on here. It comes with its own calibration mic. It's really good calibration. You can calibrate it specifically to the room or the system. We have levels, demo, defeat, calibrate. You can even control the lighting. I mean, they give you any and all possibilities here. All right, yeah, so in this room here, we are running 2 of them at the front of the room. And this is all powered through a Trenoff processor. You can see he's got some mono blocks up here. Guys, we got you covered on all fronts when it comes to AV. So give us a call and talk with our audio video consultants. If this isn't in your budget, believe me, we have something that is. But these JL subs are killer. And that's not where we stop. We want some from the back of the room, right? So, yep, so what are we rocking back here? We got a Fathom 212, twice the awesome. Twice the awesome. Twice the awesome. These things come in piano black finish, which I really like. It's a really nice look to the room. And the bass is absolutely incredible. Look at that finish right there. Yeah, so these guys can do your installation if you guys are in the New Jersey area or New York and get all those wires hidden and make it look really clean like you see in this space here. Now, if you're not in that territory, we are constantly working on building up our preferred partner network throughout the country. So make sure to ask, and hopefully we have a preferred partner in your area. Right now, we got California, LA, Anaheim, so Southern California, as well as all of Texas, Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. And then we got Colorado covered, and we got New York, New Jersey, Virginia, and so on and so forth, DC, Maryland. And we're going to keep growing that network. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you want to purchase a JL sub or any subwoofer or speakers for your home theater, give us a call. That's all I got for you. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.